So guys, for the first step, once you're on this screen, you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard at the same time. Click on Shift and F10, which will now pull up the command prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. Next, you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. Next, you want to type in select space disk space and then the number of the disk that you want to install Windows on. For me, I've only got one disk, which is disk 0. In my case, I'm going to type in select disk 0. In your case, you may have more disks. You're going to know which one is which by the size of the disk. So for me, I'm going to install Windows on disk 0, so I'm going to type in select disk 0 and then click on enter. You want to type in the number of the disk that you want to install Windows on. After you choose the disk that you want to install Windows on, now you want to type in clean and then click on enter. For the last step, we can now close out of this. And now you want to select refresh. After you refresh this, we can now click on next and you can continue with your Windows installation.